Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the features. So let's tap, and as you can see right on the very first position we've got the system navigation, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So here we've got the three buttons option applied. As you can see, we've got the three buttons which are responsible for particular actions. Here we've got, let's say, the tutorial. You can check how they are working. What's more, before we will set the gestures, because as you can see here we've got this option, I'd like to show you some customization if you will decide that you want to stick with the button. So simply tap on the settings icon right here, and as you can see, you can customize it by reordering the back button and the recent. You can always show a navigation bar also, it's up to you. And if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on the switcher. Actually not switcher, just tap on this option, and as you can see it is currently marked. What's more, it has been applied immediately, so the three buttons simply disappeared. Again, here we've got the instructions of how to use the gestures, but of course I'll show you. And if you'd like to, you can customize them. So let's enter the settings, and here we've got plenty of options to customize. So we've got the Google Assistant, so we can decide if we want to wake it up with the gestures. We can avoid misoperation by swipe gesture. We've got the display bottom indicator, which is currently turned off. If you want to see this line here, then you can just tap on the switcher, but I personally prefer when it is hidden. And here we've got the back sensitivity for the left and the right edge, which simply means that we can change the area which will be responsible for catching our gestures, our movements, let's say. And I highly recommend to simply get back to this option after using the gestures for a while, because then you will be able to decide which option will be the best for you. So now let me explain how the gestures work. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see this arrow, and then release the finger. It doesn't really matter from which side you will do it, from the left and the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back to the home page, then simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center, just like that, and here we've got the home page. And if you'd like to open the recents, then just swipe your finger again from the bottom, but hold it somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So basically that's all. This is how to change, how to actually set the gesture navigation in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.